Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to reset your PIN on Roblox. So first, you want to open a browser and then search for roblox.com and then log in your account. After that, you want to scroll down until you see this options. And here you want to click help and then Roblox account. And then here on the account settings section, you want to click I forgot the PIN. So in here, once a PIN is added to an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings. At this time, users and their parents or guardians will not be able to manually reset the PIN if it is forgotten. Customer support will need to assist with resetting forgotten PINs. To reach customer support, please use the contact form. So you want to click this contact form and then fill up these questions. So put your name and then email address and then confirm email address, and then here choose the device that you are using and then type of help category, click PIN. Click account hot or can't log in and then click account PIN. And then here description of issue, so you can just simply explain what happened. So hi, I forgot my PIN, can you help me? Then click submit. Then check your email or Gmail and Roblox should send you a email regarding your PIN. So that's it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.